Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
知道了吧？看到了吧？
还没上课，
没上课。
你这个谁上课课？
I didn't know how to get this off over it.
I don't start like take off the top. You push off the top and then it just comes right off the bottom.
Sorry.
Me? Me?
What? Okay, I guess pull over. Why?
Hi.
Hi.
What happened?
The reason why you don't know where your high beams?
What?
Your high beams.
They're not. Those are my high beams.
No, those are your high beams.
No, these are my high beams.
Do it again.
Brights? Not brights. Brights? Not brights.
Alright, because I did flash you and I honestly do it again.
Brights? Not brights.
I don't know. That's the reason yours
Oh.
look very, very, very bright.
Sorry.
And it looks like 4 of them are on.
Really?
No, you're fine. You're not in any trouble.
No, I get that, yeah.
I'm just actually going to go find another car that was racing. But I'm there and I'm there. He's
Yeah.
probably already.
So
So just make care. I don't know. Just be careful.
Okay.
See what you got.
Due to what? Is the idea that it's due to gatherings? Is it so? It's because they were trying to say that it was related to Thanksgiving. So between October and November. Person and mail bearers.
Did you leave out the Mr. Armadillo or whatever the place is called?
Possibly, yeah.
Bus.
Yeah.
I don't know. I always thought Tony Balboni should have worked there. Probably worked at all of them.
Yeah, we were the home of the Bunyan Onion,
Which is a very, very unappealing.
Now watch this part. This is very important. Watch him. Watch him. He's going to straighten his wheels. He does not want to be there. Straighten his wheels. Push the guy. Flip a U-bitch. Dip.
He's trying to get out of there? Dude, your car is going to get stolen, man. Well, my camera just caught that entire thing. I wonder if Hey, my man, my camera recorded that whole thing. I got it on camera.
You